Running a beauty business but struggling with video creation? Just type your idea, and let InVideo AI turn it into stunning content in seconds.
Step 1. Create an account first. Visit this link, https, invideo.eoc, 6,384,368, 883,681, 12,258, or use this easy-to-remember short link, https://duct.inai.com/invideo. This is the official link to InVideo AI, and I've also added it. In the video description below here, you can sign up using Google, Apple, or your email, whichever you prefer. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Step 2. Enable advanced AI features if you want higher quality videos, access to more languages, and better voiceovers. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, gives choose settings, then turn on beta features. After that, don't forget to refresh the page by pressing the upgrade button. Here you'll find all the available subscription plans to choose from. Step 3. Go back to the main dashboard. You'll see a box that says Give me a topic. This is where you can enter your content or prompt, such as a topic, point of view, or instructions for the video you want to create.
Select Create Short Video. Select the video speed. Fast-paced, a video with a quick, smooth pace, suitable for promotional content, product ads, or concise educational videos that remain easy to follow. Use it when promoting beauty, skincare, or spa products, reviewing AI tools or digital platforms, creating short tutorials without making them feel rushed. Very fast-paced, a video with a super fast tempo, ideal for TikTok trends, countdowns, flash sales, and product teasers. Use it when running urgent promotions like only 3 days left. Creating viral trend videos with rapid transitions. Targeting fast-paced audiences or those who respond to FOMO, fear of missing out. In this case, we choose video speed, fast-paced. Video 4. Available options: YouTube Shorts, for vertical short videos, less than or equal to 60 seconds, on YouTube Shorts, ideal for reviewing AI tools and making money online. YouTube, for standard horizontal videos, long-form content, on YouTube, ideal for in-depth product tutorials and walkthroughs. TikTok, for vertical short videos, 9:16 ratio, designed for TikTok, ideal for promoting products like lip balm, serums, skincare, and spa services. Instagram Reels, for Reels, Instagram's short video format, typically vertical, under 60 seconds. In this case, we select TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Choose background music for your video. Pick a music style that matches your content, relaxing, upbeat, trendy. Select the voiceover language. If using AI voice, use English for global reach, Vietnamese for local audiences. Enable/disable automatic subtitles. Turn on to let viewers follow along even without sound. Choose an AI voice, gender, tone, style, select based on your video, soft female for beauty, bold male for tech. Add your brand name to the video as a watermark, example, teen.ki, David AI World, at spa.themefuk. If you add a watermark, your video will have 2 watermarks, one from you, and one from InVideo. 1. InVideo's watermark, default, if you're using the free or trial version. InVideo will automatically add its logo, InVideo watermark, at the top right or bottom right corner of your video. If you upgrade to the Pro version, you can completely remove the InVideo watermark, so only your personal watermark remains, e.g., David AI World. 2. Your personal watermark, custom. The Use Watermark text section lets you add your own brand name, for example, David AI World, or at teen.ki. Pro tip. It's highly recommended to use the Pro plan, so your custom watermark looks clean, professional, and memorable, because when people share your video, viewers often remember the watermark in the corner more than the caption below. Set your music vibe preference. Helps the AI auto-match music style with your video theme. Choose your video imagery source, stock, real images from library, generative, AI-created visuals based on your prompt. Paste your prompt into the command/input field to let InVideo AI generate your video automatically.
After entering your prompt, Click Generate My Video and the AI system will automatically write the script, select matching scenes and video clips, add background music, subtitles, and AI voiceover, generate a complete, ready-to-use video for you. For other products, use the following creation prompt: lip balm. Create a short video promoting organic lip balm with soft pink visuals, bold text, hydration all day, and light music. Vitamin C serum, brightening and revitalizing essence. Promote vitamin C serum with citrus visuals, glowing skin shots, and text. Brighten your glow. Toner. Create a calming skincare video promoting rose water toner with natural visuals and a soothing voice.
Step 7. Download your video to 30 seconds. Once you're satisfied, click Download. Choose your resolution, 720p or 1080p. If you're using the free plan, your video will have a watermark. Upgrading to the Plus plan removes the logo and gives you extra AI credits.
You see? You don't need video editing skills or complex software. All you need is an idea, and InVideo AI will handle the rest for you. Want to try it out? Click the link below, https://ductineye.com/InVideo. This is my official referral link, and I've added it in the video description for easy access. On the homepage, simply click the upgrade button at the top right. You'll find all the available plans to suit your needs. For the price of a single meal, you can create hundreds of professional videos every month. Creating high-quality videos is no longer just for the pros. I wish you massive content breakthroughs and endless sales with InVideo. May your videos go viral and your store explode with orders. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the InVideo channel for more powerful AI tools. Drop a comment if you'd like me to create a step-by-step guide tailored to your industry.